Today, I'll show you how to create a Pocket Option account and verify it. Before you start, remember that trading involves risk, so only use money you can afford to lose and make sure the platform is available in your country. First, open your browser and go to the official Pocket Option website. On the homepage, click Registration or Sign Up. Now enter your email address and create a strong password. You may also be asked to choose your preferred currency and agree to the platform terms. After that, click Sign Up to create the account. Pocket Option may send a confirmation email. Open your email inbox, find the message from Pocket Option, and click the confirmation link. Now go back to Pocket Option and log into your account. Next, open your profile or verification section. Enter your personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, phone number, and country of residence. Make sure this information matches your official documents. To verify your identity, upload a clear photo of a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Pocket Option says identity verification may require one of these documents, and the image should be clear and fully visible. Some users may also need to verify their address with a utility bill or bank statement, and Pocket Option says verification can take from a few minutes up to 48 hours depending on the document type. After uploading your documents, submit the verification request and wait for approval. Once approved, your account should have access to more platform features, including withdrawals. And that's it. You've successfully created and verified a Pocket Option account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.